to learn Adobe Illustrator, you are in the best place. In this course, you will learn to convert your ideas into great designs in a simple way. This course is aimed to anyone interested in graphic design and illustration. My name is Mustafa, I am engineer and I will be with you to be a professional designer step by step. I am going to explain a little bit more about what you will learn in this course. We will start with the interface of the program and some shortcuts, then explaining tools, work panel, and menus. Also, you have a professional example after any tool or effect if it possible. In the end, you have many professional designs like 3D, posters, vector arts, isometric text effect, and logos. My goal is to make sure you are happy and confident of yourself, so I will be there all time if you have any question or facing any problem. Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we'll talk about the interface of the program, some shortcuts, and how to start a new project. So, let's start. After opening Adobe Illustrator, you will see this page. You have here create now to make a new project or open to continue previous project. And you have also here some templates for some projects like A4, Web Large, iPhone X. And you have also here your recent projects. You can open any one of them, and in the top here you have search button to search online for anything in the program. So I will start with create new, and this window will appear. I can also open this with Ctrl and N from keyboard, and I have here the preset details. You can change the name of your project and also the dimension like width and height, and the unit of your dimension, pixels, centimeters, inches, and the rotation, landscape or portrait, and the numbers of artboards. And you have also blend mode to make borders for your project if you want to print it. And also I have advanced option, color mode. I have two colors, RGB for monitors, CMYK for printing. And also I have raster effects, the resolution of your effects in Illustrator, because any effect in Adobe Illustrator will be with pixels. I have 300 pixels per inch or 150 or 72. And the last option, preview mode, I have default or pixel or with overpoint. And here I have the recent templates I choose. And in the top you have your saved templates and some examples for dimensions like iPhone X, iPad Pro, and for web like web large, and for print letter A4, for film and video 4K, 8K, and art and illustration like postcard letter A4, A3. So I will choose any dimension from here like A4 and click create. Now this is the interface of the program. I have here tools and menus and work panel. The last thing today is shortcuts. To know all shortcuts, open edit menu and choose keyboard shortcuts. And you can choose Illustrator, and you have two menus of shortcuts in the tools and in menus. In the tools I have many shortcuts for any tool here, and I can also change the shortcut of any tool like this. Double click and change the letter, and I can also add a shortcut for any tool and also for menus like file menu. You have shortcut for save, for a new project, for open, for place, for export. That was all. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, leave it in comments and I will be happy to answer it. Goodbye.
Preview. Preview. Preview.
Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we have a very interesting tool in Adobe Illustrator. You can draw anything with this tool. I'm talking about pen tool. So let's start. Pen tool is used for drawing by points and lines. For example, I will select pen tool and I can make a point like this and another one here to make a straight line, and I can also click on shift button to move 45 degrees like this, or I can click and drag to make a curve like this. I have also curvature tool for making curves without lines, only curves like this. There are another thing. If I make a curve with curvature tool and I wanted to make straight lines, I can't make it because I have this arm. So I will break this arm first, and now I can make straight lines. Also I can make a curve like this and make another curve, and I can with direct selection tool move this arm like this to change my curve. I can also select anchor point tool and I can change any curve like this, and I have two arms to change my curve, or I can click on any point to make straight lines, and I can also make a curve from lines like this. Now I will make this design by pen tool. That was all for today. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, leave it in comments and I will be happy to answer it. Goodbye.
Preview. Preview. Preview.
Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we will talk about a new advanced tool in Adobe Illustrator. This tool makes an effect like 3D and it's very interesting. So let's start. The tool with us today is Perspective Grid tool. This tool is used for drawing in 3 dimensions, like this. I have here x-axis and y-axis and z-axis. And I have some buttons to change the dimensions. The first one here, to change the bottom plane, and the second one here to increase or decrease the right plane, and one for the left plane. And I have here to increase or decrease the grid, and another one here for the right plane. And I have here 3 buttons. The first one for the bottom plane to move it, and one for the right plane, and one for the left plane. And I have here one to move the perspective, and the last one to increase or decrease the squares in the perspective, like this. And I have here this button to change the plane I will draw in. First one here, the left grid with a blue color, and it has number 1. And the second one here, I can click on it for the right plane with the number 3. And the third one in green color with number 2, and I can switch between them with keyboard. 1 for left, 2 for bottom, and 3 for right. And I can change a plane from here with Alt button. I will click on Alt button and click here for solid color or none or grid, and for the bottom plane and for the left plane. Now I will show you how to use it. First, I will change the number like this, and choose rectangle tool and choose the plane. I will click on number 1 to switch to the left, and I will draw a rectangle like this, and another one, and change the plane like this from keyboard, and another one here, and one here, and change with keyboard for 1, and one here, and one here, like this. For change the color, choose perspective selection tool. I can resize or change the color from here. If I select the selection tool, it will be increase the size without the scale out of the perspective. So I will choose the perspective selection tool to resize in the perspective. And now I will make a bottom plane here. Click on number 2. I will move it for up like this, and the other one, and resize it. And now I will make the bottom plane here. Change and use rectangle. Sorry. And choose the color from here. And now I can hide the perspective from click on the cancel here. I have 3 views for the perspective grid. To show them, I will click on view menu and choose perspective grid, and I have 1 point perspective for 1B normal view for 2 sides, and the other one 2 point perspective, the normal view, and the third one 3 point perspective, 3B normal view. I can also type anything in perspective grid. First I will write any text like this. And with perspective selection tool, I will take it and change the plane for 1 and put it here and resize it. And again, like this, change the plane to 3 and put it there and resize it. And also I can type in the bottom plane like this. Change it to 2 and put it here. And again, like this. And put it here. But before put it, if I put it here, it will be like this. But I want it to face this word, so I will rotate it before with rotate tool and 90 degree, and now take it and put it here. For example, I will make this cubic logo by perspective grid tool. That was all for today. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, leave it in comments and I will be happy to answer it. Goodbye.
Preview. Preview. Preview.
Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we'll talk about new effect in Adobe Illustrator. It's very exciting and makes special designs. I'm talking about 3D effect. So let's start. This effect works with any shape, path or text. For example, I will make a rectangle like this and choose any color like this, and now select the rectangle, choose effect menu and 3D. Now I have three options: extrude and bevel, revolve, rotate. The first one, extrude and bevel, used for add a new dimension for the z-axis, and the second one, revolve, to rotate the shape 360 degrees, and the third one, rotate, for rotate the shape in the 3 dimensions. So the first one, extrude and bevel, I will click on it and now click on preview. Now the first one, position, I have many position to show the shape, like from right, from left, from front, and from off axis like this, and isometric. And I can also move the shape like this, or I can move it by the axis from here, and with the red line I can move it up and down, and with green line I can move it right and left. And also I can change the perspective for the vision of the shape like this, and I have extrude depth for increase or decrease the depth like this, and I have turn on cap or turn off cap to make only a 3D in the border or in the whole shape like this. And also I have here bevel, I have many shapes like this, zaggy or rolling or rounded, and I can increase it like this. And also I can make the effect for out or for in. And the surface of the shape, it plastic or diffuse, or I can make it wireframe to make it by wires, or no shading. And I have here more options. I can increase or decrease the brightness of the shape like this, or I can increase the ambient light for the shadows and the highlight intensity and the highlight size, and blend steps. If I had any lines in the shape, I can make it smooth by this option, by increase the blend. And I have the shaping color, none or custom, to change the color of the shadow. And this pole, I can change the direction of the light like this, or I can add new point for the light like this, and I can delete it. And also I have passive spot colors to disable items that can cause spot colors to be converted, or draw hidden faces in the bottom and in the front of this face. And the last thing here is map art. This option is used for adding any symbols for the 3D effect, like this. Can choose any symbol from here, like this one, and I can change the faces from here, the first one or the second one, third, and the face you can see will be in the white color, and the face you can see will be in the dark color, like this. This is the bottom face, and I can resize it or scale to fit. And I have clear all, shade artwork to add the bright of the shape or the shadows of the shape to the symbol, and invisible geometry to make the shape invisible, like this. The second effect in 3D menu is Revolve. This effect is used for rotate the shape 360 degrees, like this. I will make an circle and choose any color for fill, like this, and now choose Revolve and click on preview. Now it rotates 360 degrees, like this, and I have here the same option. I can move it like this and increase the perspective, and also I can change the angle to change the rotation. Make it 360 like this, and now I have offset to increase or decrease the diameter, like this, and I have also cap, and I have left edge to rotate for the left or rotate for right, and I have again the surface and the brightness, and I have map art. I can make an effect like this. I will make any shape and add color with black, and copy this shape and Ctrl D to repeat, and now I will choose all shapes like this, and I will add it for symbol. Open symbols menu and add it here, click on OK, and now go to again for appearance menu and select the shape and choose 3D Revolve, click preview, map art, and add the symbol. Click on scale fit, OK. Now I make this design. The last effect in 3D is rotate. This effect is used for only rotate in 3 dimensions, like this. I will make an circle. Now open effect 3D rotate and click on preview. Now only I can rotate the shape in the 3 dimensions, like this. with no shading, or I can add some shading like this. Only rotate. Now for example, I will make this design by 3D effect. That was all for today. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, leave it in comments and I will be happy to answer it. Goodbye.
Preview. Preview. Preview.
Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we'll talk about new window in Adobe Illustrator. This window saves your time and done your project faster. I'm talking about Actions window. So let's start. To open Actions window, click on Window and choose Actions. This window is used for doing many operations by only one click. For example, I will make an rectangle like this and choose black color, and now I can choose any action from here. These are default action by Adobe, and I have here opacity 60 and click on play. Now I decrease the opacity of the rectangle to 60 and I can increase it for 40, and I have here many actions like move or rotate or share, reflect, intersect, and many actions. And I have here some buttons. The first one, stop or play recording and begin recording, play current selection, create new set, create new action, and delete selection. The first one, if you want to add a new action to this menu, you can click on new set and start record your operation. And after you finish it, click on stop to finish your action. And you can start recording from here, and you can do your action from play and create new set to create a new folder like this folder. And I have create new action to make a new action, and delete to delete any action. And from here I have the same settings in the top, and start recording, record again, insert menu item or insert stop, insert select pass or select object. I can also have action options or playback options. I can change the action options by the function key, like add a shortcut to your action and color your action. And also I have playback option. And I can clear action, reset actions, load action from any file. You can download any action from internet and replace action. And I have bottom mode to make action like bottom. And I have batch. This is used for repeat your action for many times. I can choose any folder like this and do many actions for many files and click on OK to do many operations on many files. Now I will make a new action. Click on new action and call your action. Like Illustrator, and set for choose the folder. I will choose default action, and you can add shortcut for your action like one of buttons here, and add shift button or control button, and you can choose any color for your action like red, and start recording. Now you can see the new action here, and now Illustrator program record any operation you do. I will change the color like this and open a line window. And choose align to the center. And now I will change the color of stroke, and I will decrease the stroke, and add drop shadow, like this, and click on OK. Now I will click on stop recording. Now I have this action, and I can add this action on any shape. I will delete this and add a new rectangle with any color, and now only select your action and click on play. The Illustrator will make your actions. That was all for today. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, leave it and happy to answer it. Goodbye.
Preview. Preview.
Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we have a 3D font design in Adobe Illustrator, and we will know how to make a design like this. So let's start. To make a design like this, I should have one color and another one light. First I will make an background like this, and choose no stroke, and with fill choose gradient. And now I will select the dark one and the light one. With gradient tool, I will make it from up to down. And now I will make text box and write any letter and increase the size like 500. And now create outlines and make only stroke, and with direct selection tool delete the inside shape, and now select the letter again, make ungroup and release component path. And now I will make two circles, 80 and 80 for width and height, and now choose only fill and choose gradient. Now I will select the other colors, and with Alt button make another copy and select two circles, and from object menu choose blend and make. Now with blend tool choose specific distance and choose like 1.5, click on preview and OK. And now I will make another copy from it. Select one of them and the letter, and from object menu blend choose replace pane. Go back, and first you should cut from here with scissor tool, and now select again the two shapes and make replace spine like this. And now with pen tool I will make the tail like this, and select the other circles and make replace spine. And now with direct selection tool select only one circle and make width 10 and the height only 10, and select the another circle and make it like 50 in the width and the height. I can rotate it like this. And make arrange and bring the letter forward like this. And now make another circle with 10 width and height and make an rectangle or triangle like this. And select the two shapes from object menu, make blend, and from here choose specified steps like 30, and with direct selection tool select only circle and move it like this. And now move it here, and with Ctrl Y you can adjust it like this. Ctrl Y again, and I can move it like this. And now make another triangles and take another copy, and now put it here and another one here, and make the letter bring forward or bring to front. Now select the letter and the tail, and from effect menu choose distort and loosen. Now click on preview. You can increase the size like 20 and increase the tail like 60. That is good. And now select triangles and make crossing, preview, decrease the size and increase the detail like this. That was all for today. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, leave it in comments and I will be happy to answer it. Goodbye.